Hi guys, welcome to class. So in the last class we looked at the simple anatomy or the anatomy of a simple bacterium and had an overview. We looked at the diagram, we highlighted some key areas, and we mentioned some things. So I just want to do a form of consolidation in the sense that based on what we saw in the last class, there are some basic features or some important features of the bacterium you need to be conversant with as student of biology, or let's say intending microbiologist. So important features of a simple bacterium. All right, let's see. Now, the first thing you need to please be aware of is the pili. Let's say pili. How about we start from the cell wall? Okay, we have discussed cell wall in details, so note the cell wall. Pili. So pili is a structure. So it's a structure extending. It's a structure extending from the cell, that is the bacterium, and its functions, and it is used. Let's not say too much grammar. Let's hit the hammer on the nail. Let's go straight to the point. And it's what? And it is used for the transfer, of genetic material from one bacterial cell to another. It's used for the transfer of genetic material from one bacterial cell to another. Now, I say it again as a form of reinforcement that the constituent of the cell wall, is another thing you need to note. The constituent of the cell wall of a bacteria, is a peptidoglycan matrix. Called what's it called then? Called moraine. The constituent of the cell wall of a bacteria is a peptidoglycan matrix called moraine. Yeah. So, okay, called moraine. Now, the plasmid is an extra chromosomal DNA. So, plasmids are extra chromosomal DNA. Present in the cytoplasm of bacteria. About the flagella. So the flagella, well, you should know that flagella is present in a host of other organisms. It's present in a host of other organisms. Don't forget that the flagella is present in a host of other organisms. Yeah, there you go. It's present in a host of other organisms, and it is used for locomotion in bacteria. Okay? Now, finally, as we round up, just know that bacteria are prokaryotes. And I've explained prokaryotes, that they are single-cell organisms lacking a visible nucleus or a well-defined nucleus. So, for more emphasis, let's keep them all caps. I'll see you in the next class. Don't forget, bacteria are prokaryotes. See you in the next class.